My name is Mari Lund. I'm the CSO at Tasklet Factory Global.
And I'm Bob McAdams, Head of Strategic Partnerships.
We've been joining Directions for many years now. Started off in Directions EMEA, Europe, and been taking part of Directions in America and North America for the last couple of years now.
Yeah, we're silver sponsors this year, and I've been to 4 Directions North America shows myself, the last 3 in a row, and a couple have been in Orlando, but here out in San Diego, looking forward to a tremendous show. I've been at Directions now 4 years in North America. It's always a great time, and I see a great trajectory in the attendance each year, so I know this event is growing nicely. It's great to be a part of it.
So this year we are definitely looking forward to getting out there, meeting our partners,
Yes.
new partners, right, and showing some new functionalities. This will be a big year for us. A lot of new things are going on.
Yeah, I'm excited. It's my first Directions North America with Tasklet, which is exciting.
Yeah, definitely.
And we have a crew of what, 15?
15 people here, yeah.
7 from Europe, 1 from Vancouver, and 7 from Florida. So
Yeah.
we've made a nice commitment here. We're excited about it.
Definitely.
And I can't wait to get started. It's going to be a tremendous show.